Hey there, history buffs. Today I've got a gruesome tale from medieval times that will send shivers down your spine. It's all about a shocking torture method used by kings to punish the most notorious criminals. So if you've got a strong stomach, let's dive right in. Picture this. You're in a cold, dark dungeon. The air is thick with the smell of damp stone and fear. You've been tied down to a wooden slab, completely defenseless and immobilized. Your fate is now in the hands of a ruthless monarch. The method starts with the application of a saline solution. This isn't your everyday saltwater mix, though. It's specially concocted to make the skin on your feet soft and incredibly vulnerable. The solution seeps into your skin, causing it to become tender and damaged, setting the stage for the real horror to begin. Now here's where it gets truly nightmarish. A hungry goat is brought into the room. This isn't just any goat, it's one that's been deliberately starved to ensure it's desperately seeking anything to eat. The goat is then released, and it instinctively starts licking the saline-covered feet. At first it might seem almost harmless, maybe even ticklish, but as the goat continues, its rough tongue begins to peel away the softened skin. Slowly, layer by layer, the skin starts to come off, revealing the raw flesh beneath. The pain intensifies with every lick, but there's no escaping it. The process is agonizingly slow, designed to maximize the suffering of the victim. The relentless licking eventually exposes the veins and deeper tissues. Sometimes the flesh would start to ooze pus, adding to the excruciating pain. The torment could last for hours, each moment a horrific blend of physical agony and psychological terror. This gruesome method wasn't just about the physical pain, though. It was also a twisted form of psychological warfare. Knowing that your life could end at the mercy of a goat in such a brutal manner was a terrifying thought. It served as a stark warning to others about the consequences of crossing the king. Medieval times were brutal, and this torture method is a chilling reminder of just how far people would go to exert control and instill fear. It's a stark contrast to our modern sensibilities, but it's also a fascinating glimpse into the dark corners of human history. So there you have it. A shocking medieval torture method that's as gruesome as it is fascinating. Thanks for joining me on this dark journey through history. If you're intrigued by more tales from the past, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the shadows